Hi guys, Tyler Morris with MarineMax Houston. Today I'm on this brand new Grady-White 235 Freedom. Starting on the back of the boat, you'll see this boat is powered with a 350 horse Yamaha V6 engine. You'll see the 235's got these great swim platforms that extend almost to the back of the boat completely. And there's also twin plumbed boxes on port and starboard. So you come in through the transom door, you'll see along that back wall, we've got a live well, as well as an insulated fish box. In front of that, you got a flip-up transom seat. Great place to hang out while you're underway. Got some rod storage with tow kick on port and starboard. In front of that rod storage, you'll see we've got this nice flip-up sink basin with a little cutting board. Couple of cup holders, and underneath that we've got slide out Yeti. On the port side, you'll see this nice rear facing seat, and if I go press a button, you'll see that a seat will extend all the way out into a lounger. One thing I actually like to do is have this transom seat up at the same time, so if you want to lay fully extended either direction, you can still have somebody sitting next to you. In front of that, we've got a nice forward-facing captain's chair, or co-captain's chair, with a footrest, and your spacious head compartment with pump-out head. You'll see you've also got your Fusion Audio main controller on that side. At the helm, this boat does come equipped with a Garmin MFD, Garmin VHF, your Yamaha Helmmaster, as well as an additional Fusion Audio display, Bennett trim tabs, your shift binnacle. Then you'll notice here, this boat's also got autopilot on it. Moving forward, got additional storage here, some tackle boxes, got a nice partition gate for the wind, hooks on the bottom and top to keep it secure when stowed. And then of course you've got your windshield cover. In addition to that, this boat does have an isinglass enclosure. Above us here on this hard top, you'll see we do have a ski pylon, as well as a retractable sure shade that'll cover the whole aft area of the boat while you're parked. Up at the bow, you'll see we've got ample seating, as well as a couple insulated boxes. These are plumbed as well. Got a spot in front here that could be used as an anchor locker for a traditional throw. But you see it's got this cover plate in there because this boat's actually equipped with a windlass anchor. So that's just a good place to go check your anchor line as you're bringing it in or letting it out. You'll also see this boat is equipped with JL audio. As we mentioned the head units before, you got plenty of cup holders. You do have your spot for your poles for your bow shade that you can put up while you're hanging out. If you're interested in a dual console Grady-White like this, give me a shout, 832-864-4011, and I'd be happy to help.